Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern DeKalb County and north central Illinois, north central LaSalle County and north central Illinois until 7:30 p.m. At 6:28 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Earlville and moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. The severe thunderstorm will be near Leland around 6:40 p.m., Chaminade around 7 o'clock p.m., Waterman around 7:05 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA's weather.